Before you do anything, tape the shoulder pads or bust cups into the breast cavities inside the form. This supports them so they don't collapse in use over the life of the form. Then, on 1/2 inch thick foam core, trace the neck opening from the first piece you taped, the armholes and the base. As you're tracing, mark and label the seam lines in front and back so you'll get them properly placed later. Cut out discs. Insert the armhole discs and tape them into the armhole, aligning the registration marks. Tape from the inside and cover them with duct tape from the outside. Now insert the hanger into the shoulder section for fit. Check how all of the pieces fit together. The neck band should match up with the neckline. The bodice and neck pieces should both close smoothly over the hanger. When you're assured all of the pieces are fitting properly, make a hole in the neck disc for the hanger hook. Tape the hanger inside the shoulders. Fit the neck band to the bodice and tape them together just well enough to hold everything in place while you secure the hanger and close the back. Pad the neck, shoulders, and upper bodice as you go. Tape all of the open edges with duct tape securely. This is when you tape the pole into the dress form. Fill the form with fiber fill from the bottom. Then, close the opening with the base disc and tape it in position. Before you cover all of the registration marks with new tape, make a record of them to keep on your form. The centers front and back, the shoulder seams, the waistline, and the side seams are important reference lines to keep. They help in fitting and in draping. When your dress form is finished, permanently mark these lines with permanent marker or narrow tape. Remember, you can also make a fitted covering from ribbed knit fabric or linen to have a pinnable surface. We fit this dress form with a pole through the base for a floor stand, which is really the easiest way to work with a dress form. But it's important that your stand is heavy enough to hold your dress form upright when it holds a heavy garment. A wedding dress, for example, can get top-heavy and you don't want it falling on the floor. We secured a 1-inch PVC pipe in the dress form with tape. Then we put a 1.5-inch pipe in an empty kitty litter bucket and filled the bucket with litter, but not the pipe. We cut a hole in the bucket lid and used a plumbing fitting to anchor the hole and keep the litter hidden. The pipe in the dress form fits easily into the pipe in the bucket and will even rotate. Having your own dress form makes sewing so much easier. You can stand back and see how your garments are fitting and make the simple changes right on yourself. Enjoy your sewing, and I'll see you next time.